guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you the basic eye brushes that you need, and you don't need a whole set of eye brushes. If you're not a makeup artist, then you don't need so many brushes. You can just work and create any eye look with just these 3 to 4 brushes that I'm going to show you right now. Sorry, my brushes are a bit dirty because I just did my eye makeup. So the first brush that you need is this, something like this. So I use this for my crease. Now another option for a crease brush is this fluffy brush. Again, they both are from pack. The first one that I showed you is pack 167. This one is pack 391. This is like a nice fluffy blending brush. So you can use this for your crease as well as for the outer corners. So you can just pack some eyeshadows and just blend it with this. So both these brushes can be used for that purpose. So if you have two, good enough. Otherwise you can just work with one brush. I prefer to keep two so that there's a different brush for the crease and different for an outer corner. Now one brush that you need is this flat brush, obviously just to pat your eyeshadow here on the lid. This usually comes with a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so if you already have this, then no need to buy. Now this brush is very important to smudge your liner like what I've done here, or to smudge some eyeshadow here under the eye. So this is called a pencil brush. So I love this one. This is from pack. It's 388. This is not too thin, not too thick. This is just the perfect size I feel, which can be used both for the liner and for the under eye. And then you need a brush like this for your eyeliner. This is an eyeliner brush. And another brush that you need is a small angular brush. It can be used for filling your eyebrows, and also it can be used under the eye for smudging your eyeshadow. So these are the basic brushes that you need, and you can create any eye makeup look with these brushes. I just wanted to make this little short video to help you guys understand the eye brushes. I will leave the details about these brushes in the description link below, so you can see most of them are pack brushes which are easily available on Nykaa or through pack stores in Delhi and Mumbai. So yeah, thank you for watching this short video guys. I hope it was helpful. So bye, take care, have a nice day.